In this video, we will show how to modify an already invited user's access so they can control only specific devices. We start by opening the menu, going to Settings, and selecting Roles. Here, we create a new role and name it Room Service. We can also set it to be valid only on weekdays. Next, we select which I/Os the role will have access to, in this case the door and the outdoor light. We must specify a start date and an end date. We select today's date and set it to expire in 1 month. After saving, the room service role appears, showing access to only the selected 2 devices. Now we open the menu again, go to Settings, then Users. We select the user, go to Access, and add the new room service role. Since the role already has permissions configured, no additional changes are needed. We delete the user's previous access that had permissions to everything. Now the user only has access to the devices set in the room service role. Finally, we create a new dashboard for this user. We go to Menu, Settings, Dashboards, and add Dashboard. We name it Room Service and assign the room service role to it. We select the 2 devices linked to this role. Instantly, the dashboard updates and the user sees only what they are allowed to control. This way, we can customize user access and manage permissions fully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next PIERRE Academy tutorial.